Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe and sound and doing work properly. So today I am going to start part 2 of chapter number 4. That is, what is judiciary independent? Imagine yourself into a situation where a powerful person captures the land belonging to your family and you go to the court to get your property back. But the system is such that a powerful influential person can remove or transfer a judge from his or her post. In such a situation, the judge would favor the powerful person only. So if judiciary is deprived of freedom, if powerful influential people can control the judiciary, there will be no impartial judgment. That is the reason why our constitution does not allow such kind of interference. अब जैसे अभी किसी ने जबरदस्ती आपकी लैंड हड़प लिया है और आपने केस दर्ज किया है और कोई बड़े पार्टी ने कुछ पैसे देके उनको घूस खिला के अपनी तरफ से कर दिया जजमेंट को, तो आप तो दुखी हो जाओगे, पर हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये सब कुछ नहीं है. सो देयर इज वन पार्ट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट द जुडिशरी इज इंडिपेंडेंट. दे कांट बी सो बायस्ड देयर. So that is the reason why constitution does not allow such kind of interference. That is why judiciary has been kept independent from legislature and executive. Thus, once the judges are appointed in the High Court and Supreme Court, it becomes very difficult to expel them from their respective position. Expel मतलब निकालना. तो एक बार अगर कोई जज हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपनी पोजीशन ले लेते हैं, उनको कोई जल्दी वहां से निकाल नहीं सकते. If an individual feels that his or her fundamental right is violated, he or she can go to the court directly. So this is the plus point of the Supreme Court, that whatever verdict or whatever decision is done in Supreme Court, it is favored against the people or against the government. They get the benefit. Now think, can an ordinary citizen win a case over a powerful influential person in this judiciary system? Justify your response. So you have to think, children. If a person is very true and if he wants that he should get the justice, definitely he will get the justice from the Supreme Court. For that he should collect some evidence. उसके पास ठोस सबूत होने चाहिए. अगर वो सच्चा आदमी हो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट उनको ही साथ देती है. Are the courts at various levels connected with one another? क्या सब कोर्ट्स एक साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, हर स्टेट से, हर सेंटर से? Absolutely, it is all connected. Yes, they are. To understand this, let's understand the procedure of filing a petition. If an individual finds the judgment given by the lower court is not satisfactory, then he or she can file a petition in the upper court. Lower court कौन सा आता है? तालुका. If from there the decision is not fair, he can appeal to the High Court or a Supreme Court. To understand this concept, let's discuss a case. There were few houses in the southern direction where Ratlam municipality had constructed road. Behind these houses was an old road leading to the government college. Near the junction of the old and the new municipality road ran a culvert of dirty water. Industries released dirty water infested with chemicals in this culvert. It had become the source of foul smell and mosquitoes. Slum dwellers answered the natural calls by the sides of this culvert. The health department had filed controlling the mosquitoes. The residents had repeatedly written application to remove the dirt around it, but the health department failed to take care of it too. As a result, the residents appealed in the Taluka court of the subdivision magistrate. Now this is a small case in between you, in front of you. We are just presenting how the case is filed and what are the decisions. So this is of a small case of a municipality where dirty water is collected between the government college and the residents. water accumulations and mosquitoes breeding. All work should be completed within the 2 years. So these some of the time is given to these people to do their work. Ratlam municipality was unhappy with the verdict and so it moved to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court sustained the judgment of the Taluka Court and further ordered that judgment by the Supreme Court, the chemical and the dye plants which were responsible for the pollution should be closed with the joint effort of the municipality and the state government. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई थी यहाँ पे? म्युनिसिपैलिटी और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के बीच में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही थी. तो यहाँ पे एक सेशन चल रहा है कोर्ट में और ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही है और एक दूसरे के साथ बहस हो रही है. Now, judge given out the judgment verdict. Now activity, arrange the moot court procedure from the Taluka Court to the Supreme Court in classroom with the help of your teacher. Later we will do this activity when we come to the class. Now, can any citizen appeal in a court? We have learned that any citizen can appeal in a court for the protection of his or her fundamental rights. But in reality, poor people find it very difficult to go to the court. The legal procedure not only require a lot of money and paperwork, but also it is very time consuming. जैसे आपने अभी यहाँ पे पूछा है कि क्या हर नागरिक जा सकता है कोर्ट पे? It is possible. But what about the poor people? They don't have time, they don't have money. So, what are the procedure for this? So, for poor people who is illiterate and incurring irregular income, it becomes very tough to go to court and demand justice. So, poor people, they don't go to the court for their justice. They fight and they win the case among themselves. Now, keeping this fact in mind, the Supreme Court announced the provisions of the public interest litigation in the year 1980. With this, the Supreme Court has made an effort that maximum people can reach up to the court for justice. Any individual or institution can file a case on behalf of people from the deprived classes. So, Supreme Court ने एक निर्णय लिया है, चाहे कोई अमीर हो या गरीब हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हमेशा उनके लिए लड़ेगा अगर उनका केस सच्चा हो. If any of the fundamental rights are being violated, then citizen can appeal straight in the High Court or a Supreme Court. After 1980, PIL was used to bring justice to many deprived sections of the society. For example, PIL were filed to free laborers for inhuman labor or to release the prisoners from the jail in Bihar after the terms of punishment was over. So these are some of the examples that poor people can also apply their case to Supreme Court and they can get the justice from the court. So children, things to know: the midday meal program launched in the government aided school 2 is an outcome of one such PIL, public interest. पब्लिक में तो रिच एंड पुअर पीपल तो रहते ही हैं, तो रिच तो कैसे भी जीत लेते हैं केस, पर व्हाट अबाउट द पुअर पीपल? फॉर देम गवर्नमेंट इज देयर, कोर्ट इज देयर टू सपोर्ट देम. If Supreme Court finds any PIL regarding fundamental rights and or its implementation inappropriate, then the court may punish the person, group of people or in the institution. If Supreme Court finds something is wrong against the people or institution, the court can file a case against that person or institution. Recently you have seen about many cases of Sushant Singh murder, about the Arnab Goswami, many things were there. That is a live examples and live things that we can learn from the nation, how the Supreme Courts are working for the betterment of the society. Moving further, some of the questions I will be giving through the PDF children. Do read the textbook thoroughly and complete your notes on time. Thank you.